Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn math, numbers. Okay? Now all look at the screen children. See there? 1. Number 1. 2. What is this number? 2. 3. 3. Next, 4. What is this number? 4. Then 5. 5. Shall we recall the numbers once again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now see here children. How many horse toys there? எவ்வளோ horse toys இருக்கு? Only 1. You count and see. 1. 1. Just straight standing line. 1. Now see children, how many fingers are there? 1. 1. Now look at the picture. How many caps are there? 2. Shall we count and see? 1, 2. How to write 2? Right curve, sleeping line, then join. 2. Okay? 1, 2. Number 2. See the fingers? Count and see. 1, 2. See the screen children? How many hats are there? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there? 4 hats. 4 hats. How to write number 4? Standing line, then sleeping line, then standing line. Okay, number 4. 4. Now how many fingers we have to leave? See here, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, look at the screen. What are there? Candy, cake, cups. How many are there? Shall we count and see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. How many candy cake cups are there? 5. How to write 5? Standing line, right curve, sleeping line. Number 5. So, look at here. Let us start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 5. Okay? Do you understand, children? Now see the pictures. Shall we count and write? நாம் இந்த picture இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் count பண்ணி அது கீழ இருக்கிற boxல எழுதலாமா? Okay? Now what is there in the first picture? Fish. How many fish? 1, 2. How many fishes are there? 2. Now come to the next one. What is that bird? Owl. Owl. How many owls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that box, what number we have to write? 4. We'll move to next one. How many birds are there? 3. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. So what number we have to write down? 3. Next, who's there? Butterfly. How many? Count and see. 1. Only 1. So what number we have to write? 1. Okay. Now what is there in the last picture? Honeybee. Let us count how many honeybees are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many honeybees? 5. So what number we have to write down? Number 5. Yes. Okay. This is count and write. Okay, children. We learned number 1 to 5 today. Bye-bye. Thank you.